A lot of salespersons have a misguided impression that they are independent contractors in the traditional sense of the term. They know that they are self-employed, which is an accurate understanding. However, many falsely believe that their self-employed status means they don't have to answer to anyone. Take Susan here. She knows that we have strict office policies about keeping records. Yet, for some reason, she consistently seems to lose paperwork. I won't bore you with the details of all of the problems Susan's carelessness has caused for us, but, suffice it to say, I can no longer tolerate it. She's a good person. She really is. But she just can't seem to get her act together enough to follow office policies. I'll be severing Susan's license today. What can I say? I have office policies for a reason. And when those policies are disregarded, it puts my license, as well as all of the other licenses in the brokerage, at risk. And I just can't allow that. Hello, Susan.
Hi, Dave. How are you?
Fine, thanks. I wonder if I could meet with you in my office.
Sure.